Hey, Mommy,
How you
I'm
come?
hungry. Here.
Mommy.
Here.
Happy?
Okay. Now he's happy.
Happy?
He got something to eat.
Happy. Happy. Hey. You happy?
Gene Simmons.
Say happy for me. Say happy for Tata.
This Gene Simmons for Nana.
Anytime you want.
What do you want?
Are you happy in there?
He's grunting. Do you hear him grunt?
Are you serious?
Yeah. He's so excited to be in there. Whoa, dude. Put it back, please. Put it back.
There's food in there.
Thank
I think
you.
he's hungry.
Okay.
So
Okay, you want some
milk?
milk? Okay, I'll give you some milk.
Happy? We can do something cute. We're going in a minute.
Do you want yogurt too? Yogurt? Right here. Look, this one. I already have milk. Want one of these? There's strawberry or peach? Do you want one?
You got it.
Do you want strawberry?
Straw.
Okay. Come on, let's go to the kitchen and eat it. Come on, let's go eat it. Come on. Come on.
Okay, bye, Toby.